ERPRev now, from your dashboard, you can as well enable the use of invoice breakdowns through charts. So this gadget allows you to see, analyze your data based on hour of transaction. So the first one here allows you to see by event. So you see there are 6 invoices raised at 11 a.m. and you see the amount. At 12 p.m. it shows you the total value and it shows you the number of invoices that was raised. Then you can, for this period in that you're evaluating, you can actually see the different invoice categories. The thicker the lines or the darker the shade, you know that it shows you how much transaction occurred. So if you've not been categorizing your products, please go ahead and do so. Then the same gadget also shows you by location, the breakdown by location. So you see the different locations here. It shows you by the users that wrote the invoices for that period. It also shows you by the different states and region that the customers are coming in from, and the countries the customers are coming in from. Then you can click here and specify if you're interested for this year, for last year, or you can also click here to specify the exact office location. This is a demo account and people are free to register whatever they wish. So let's say for last year. So you see we're seeing a completely different information here for last year, and you can as well go ahead and say, okay, maybe I want to see for last year for a particular office location. So it will show you. All right.